Good afternoon everyone. So today po is papasok tayo sa Curia dito sa Barcelona, Sorsogon. So isa po itong restaurant located sa Poblacion Central, Barcelona, Sorsogon. So malapit lang po siya sa Barcelona Church. So ito po yung loob, may mga tables po at ang ganda ng ambience. So parang napaka-social yung design niya. And also, mayroon ding mga available na souvenirs that you can buy kung gusto mong bumili. So, pipili ka lang dyan. And by the way, ito po pala ay located also sa harap ng ruins, ng Barcelona ruins. So, kapag mag-visit ka doon, makikita mo ito kaagad. So, it's not hard to look for it. So, yan yung mga available souvenirs na kanilang binibenta. May mga necklace made of bagol, yung sa coconut shell. And merong mga hat and bags. Tapos ito mga boxes, mga lalagyan. It can be a flower vase, I guess. And yan, mga lalagyan ng kung ano-anong gamit, which are all native. So, gawa po siya sa native na material dito sa Bicol. Hindi ko pala natanong kung made of ano siya, pero I'm guessing it's made of abaca. Very natural po yun. And also, that is their menu. So, mayroon silang pagkain dito na they can serve you. If ever you are looking for food, you can come here, not only for that souvenir. Pumunta kami dito with my friends and yung order namin are cake tapos yung crab pasta. I'll show you later. And meron din silang CR pala dito. So, this is not actually the first time I came here. Pero dati hindi ako nakapasok dito sa loob. And I didn't know that they have CR. So, ngayon ko lang nakita na meron pala silang comfort room. And also, nung pumunta kami dito, dun kami sa labas kumain. Kasi, mayroon pa din silang space doon sa labas. It's hot. I will not go there.
Ay, bawang. Wala ko yan. Alin ko na
Ha? Wala sinisin na laba? Uy, pwede rin magpalitan. Sinano ko ito kung di sa akin. Ay, ito. Wala ko na. Hindi gusto ko.
Ano po ba yung rose?
Here, start ito.
This is a very big bag.
Ito mo sa nilagay mo?
Yes po, sa LGU po.
Ay, buti ko naman. Pwede kinain sa ano?
Wala ko isa.
Ay, mag-steady.
Okay, pag-put like what like this.
And tapos na nga mag-model si ate nyo. And yung aking kasama is pumipili kasi bibili siya ng necklace for her and also for her granddaughter. Tapos meron pa siyang biniling kutsara. It's a huge spoon for serving and it is made of coconut shell. And yan yung Barcelona ruins. Sa harap lang siya. And nandito na rin yung order namin, yung cheesecake with the smoothie. And this is the crab pasta. So, yung pasta niya is sobrang dami talaga. That's why I enjoyed it. And yun. So, after namin kumain, malis na din kami. And hopefully, makavisit kayo dito sa Curia. Since marami din naman kayong mapapasyalan once you come here. So, nandun yung church and of course yung Barcelona ruins. So, yun lang for today's vlog. And it's been a while that I haven't done a vlog. But I do upload a short every day. I'm trying my best. And hopefully, yeah, more positive, more blessing. Just be positive and be happy. And God bless. And yan yung church na sinasabi ko that you will see when you visit Curia. Here in Barcelona, Sorsogon.